And welcome to another next video. The today video topic is what is health insurance work. On this video, I will give you the detail about health insurance. Health insurance is the caring United States can be every experience and single doctor offer and visit by the most of similar $100 an average 3 days hospital to stay can run 10,000 of the dollars of the events and more depleting. On the other types can be care provide the most of cloud not afford and pay the such of large same we can get strike episode. Do you know? Get the med become injury, how much care and many need health insurance offer by the way reduce such as the cost of more responsibility amount. They way of the type of work that can be controlled your pay and customer prime health insurance companies can be the payment allow the share ranks and there are a lot of other peoples who are make the smile payment and scan the most people are health most of the time and prime dollars can be paid insurance companies can be used coverage by the experience of hair related by the small numbers of collection who you will get the strike of your injury insurance companies is also the emergence has been suddenly and there will be rank of that quantity which can use the symbol and that with the different types of health insurance policies in US many different rules are agreement reading caring. Following are the three important questions you should ask with the making decision about the health insurance that will be work of best for. We can receive care on one way that health insurance plan control their cost of infinity assessment to provide provider including the physiology hospital and ligament prime and other histology and many insurance companies are controlled with the special network and provide his agreement in support the service plan and more football principle if you are providing is not the plan network of insurance companies that can be paid the service and protections that would be the network can be carrying and the people will be receiving. We will be the good outside of the network and caring by the many required to pay highlights and share with the cost of imported degrees that degrees cannot receive organizations. That organization area will be controlled the plan through the partner explanation and play the network with the home infinities and not available to get care. You will be need the stay and more responsibilities such as the cost of infinities. 2. What does the plan cover? Once of thing the healthcare information.usa under offered carrying the Islamism and more utilization that utilization company will be stay a repatriation numbers and assessment of health division which is including by the economies of the hospitals their test will the monthly that will be the matter substance and other doctors and other service are received outside of the hospitals and server are including the detail and version can be the area worships and prime service of the some images can be managed the chrome disease that service is the form of international policies will be sudden the magnetic cost that cost of the coverage US base of the plane that imported plan will be disease that will be ranking of the three how many cost understanding the insurance coverage. The cost of agriculture, the quotes of the companies, the other talking about the play prime enjoys the all side of them. From the cost transfer of UI, you will be know much you will play uniform of the most plan that is not only the cost assessment with caring of received they also the type of cost will be assessment caring such as the cost of captions and detection control of copies that are found below that when be received carrying general rules and many types of regulations that pay system will be lessened and prime to pay your assessment caring the question will be outstanding student for your large sharing of now pay large that are large share and later that later will be the better play for the large share uniform prime management that management will be covering by diseases this is the today topic. The today topic is how US health insurance work and how does it use. The today topic is very best and very good topic for you. I will be back your next video tomorrow. Then you will be subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel, and comment my channel. Thank you for so much.